video, social media, apps, websites. Bots are growing so fast that they have become an essential part of any business's marketing plan. Businesses have no clue how to use them and they need help. And, they're willing to pay big money for that help. AgencyBlitz bundle allows anyone to start and scale profitable agencies to sell services to local businesses charging $500, $10,000 per client per month. If your subscribers ever bought a commercial or agency license for a software or product, they need AgencyBlitz. Now your subscribers can make money from the tons of software tools they have been buying online. Each agency kit comes with DFY ready-made agency website. You'll be bagging clients in no time with your professionally designed agency websites. Your website is already filled with all the content you need, specifically designed to turn leads into clients. DFY proposals, PowerPoint and Word. Presentation matters in a consulting business. Just present our persuasive PowerPoint presentation to your prospect, and watch them beg you to take their money loaded with professionally designed graphics and statistics specifically crafted to convince your prospect why they need your service and why they should choose you to do it for them right now. 2 out of every 5 prospect that sees this presentation writes us a check. DFY print-ready commercial graphics templates. We have created a set of fully editable graphic templates for you to get your name out there as professionally as possible. Gorgeous and high-quality designs in which our personal graphic designers have created for you. In a few clicks, you can edit these to your own heart's desire so you'll never need to hire an expensive designer again. DFY highly optimized cold call email sequence. We are giving you a professionally written ready-to-mail email sequence for each agency. Simply copy and paste this created to convert email sequence into your favorite autoresponder service provider to deliver to any on-the-fence leads or cold leads you've collected. DFY Pimp to Sell telemarketing scripts. We are also giving you designed to hypnotize, complete telemarketing scripts, specifically designed for 3 different sales scenarios both in person and over the phone. Use these step-by-step scripts in either scenario to ensure your prospects only say yes to your services and pay you more for your professional services. These will effectively warm up your prospects for your services for a final discussion about pricing and method of delivery and convince them to hand over their money. DFY Facebook Ads Creative. You don't like talking to people, knock on doors or making phone calls, no problem. Let your clients come to you. You can run Facebook ads targeted at other businesses and get clients that will pay you for these services. We will give you ready to deploy Facebook ads creatives. All you have to do is copy and paste. DFY Legal Contract. Personally, I find it necessary to have something written about the terms and requirements of each project that I accept. With a written document, even if it is an email, the client and you both have something that can be referred back to if there is a question about the work or payment. You will get DFY contract templates you can customize and use. For more info about this product, please check the link of sales page in description.